In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a read-only channel on Discord. This process is quite straightforward, and by the end of this tutorial, you'll have a channel where your community can tune in for announcements or important updates without the clutter of additional messages. First, you'll need to navigate to Discord's website, open up your web browser and type in discord.com. Once the page loads, you'll be greeted with various options, but our primary focus is to get logged in. So go ahead and click on the login button. Now you'll need to enter your credentials. In the email address field, type in your registered email, and in the password field below, enter your password. Double check these details to ensure they're correct, then click on the login button again to access your account. Upon successful login, you'll arrive at your Discord homepage. Here you will see all your servers listed on the left sidebar. Click on the server you'd like to create a read-only channel in. Now focus your attention on the list of channels under your server, which will also appear on the left. Find the channel you want to convert to read-only and look next to it for the familiar gear or settings icon. Click on this icon to open up the channel's settings. Once you're in the channel settings, you'll see a list of options on the left. Click on the Permissions tab to access the channel's permission settings. This section is crucial because it's where the magic happens. Here, you can manage who can do what within your channel. Now scroll through to find the text channel permissions. You might need to move down a bit to see all the detailed options available. When you locate the text channel permissions, you will see a bunch of permission toggles, many of which will have three options: a green check mark, a gray slash, and a red X. Your goal is to set the channel so members can read messages but not send them, essentially turning it into a read-only space. To do this, find the permission for send messages and click the red X. This denies the ability for general members to send messages in this channel while still allowing them to read what's been posted. Once you've denied message sending, it's important to save these settings. Look for the Save Changes button, typically located somewhere at the bottom or lower corner of the permissions page. Click on it to ensure your changes are fully applied and activated. With those steps completed, you now have a functional read-only channel within your Discord server. This setup is perfect for channels used for announcements, rules, or any information-only purpose where you want to maintain clarity without interruptions. I hope you found this guide helpful, and if you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and happy Discord management.